So now we have Acme Hub, and Acme Spoke. Then well, another thing is to add our devices each. So because we are using an extended LAN, and each of those devices, regardless of where they are, has to be reachable. Then let's add the hub device. Let's discover uh, hub device is 192.125.251. Okay. So at the interface of the management interface that we're connecting to, need to enable FMG. So under here, this is okay. Under management connection, so let's enable FMG access and also probably security fabric connection from the hub before adding it. So go back to FMG, then login via legacy admin. So using the username and password, then add the first device. So we have the first device being added. So on the BR, let's just enable uh, FMG access on the management interface. So on the management interface here, we have this management interface. Management interface here, we should enable FMG access, and okay, it's enabled. So come back to FortiManager, just click import later. We'll come and deal with that. So the next thing for us is to add the first spoke to FortiManager, so we can start building our templates with it. So let's add new. Okay. Don't forget that what I'm currently using, the version of operating system is 7.4.4, and the head home also is 7.4.4. Then we can give this a name as branch one, FGT admin. Okay, next. So let's install that and we'll get started from there. So let's import later. Now we have our hub. We can name our hub. Let's edit and give it a name as data center Acme. It's just for us to have a good naming convention.